Let us solve story sum. 3/5 of a class of 45 are boys. Find the number of girls in the class. So 3/5 are boys of the total number of children in the class, that is 45. Okay, so of we know is multiplication. So if we multiply 3/5 of 45 is 5 ones are 5 nines are 3 nines are 27. So 27 are boys. Okay, according to the question, 3/5 of 45 are boys, 27 boys. So in a class of 45 children, if 27 are boys, how many girls are there? 45 minus 27, that is 18 girls. So let us solve another sum. Out of a class of 150 children, 1/3 opted for German, 2/5 for Italian, and the rest for French. Find the number of children who opted for French. Now, 1/3 of 150 opted for German. So we will simplify 1/3 of 150. That is 50. So 50 children opted for German. Next, we will solve 2/5. 2/5 of 150 opted for Italian. So let us simplify. 5 ones are 5. So that is 2 into 30, 60. 60 children opted for Italian. The rest opted for French. Okay. So we will subtract from 150, means the total number of children, we will subtract these two. Children who opted for both German and Italian. That is 50 plus 60. So 150 minus 110, which is equal to 40. So the answer is 40. 40 children opted for French. Ronald drank orange juice from a 500 ml bottle. He found that 2/5 was remaining. How much did he drink? The juice was 500 ml in the bottle. Total capacity of the juice bottle. Now, 2/5 of 500 ml was left, remaining. Okay, remaining amount of fraction of juice. Now, what is the fraction of juice that Ronald drank? If 2/5 is remaining, 3/5 is the fraction of juice which Ronald drank. Now let us find how much is 3/5 of 500. 3/5 of 500 ml is how much? We will simplify, very easy to simplify. 3 into 100, 300. So Ronald drank 300 ml juice from the bottle. This is the answer.